Welcome to Ad-Diriyah, the capital of the very first Saudi state back in 18th century. The moment I entered here, I've been approached by security and I thought they will tell me to not film here, but they just said welcome. They have a building, you can go inside, rest there for free. There are some couches, AC, can take water. And again, look, nobody is here. People don't like to walk here. Maybe after sunset it will be different, but so far not many people. A lot of people were just sitting inside this building. I thought it's kinda, you know, restaurant or something, but it's just places to rest. It's hot as hell. Yeah, it's warm. It should be great at night. Is this kind of bench too? Yeah, I think they're trying to keep it authentic, like a huge brick. No, this country is not really touristy so far. In my hostel, I'm the only non-Arab person, except for one American girl who lives here for 14 years. So I don't know, she's not American to me anymore. So they have a project called Vision 2030, and according to this project, they're trying to develop this country, and they build a lot of massive buildings, like a massive project, like Neom, the city as a huge line in the middle of the desert. They build the whole Riyadh. They restore this historical building. They're trying to do it touristy attractive. So I think even if they won't achieve all of their goals by 2030, it will be way more touristy. I don't know what's the purpose, but every tree has number. It's 2 numbers actually. So they register every tree or something. So they have a museum here, which is also for free, I guess. Everything is for free here. This is, I believe, 300 years old pigeon. And again, I'm almost by myself here. At the end of the museum they had a place to sit with AC and with free water. You know, this country still has this non-touristy country vibe. I just took a picture with the random people. They saw me and asked me for a picture with them. This street is perfect for taking pictures. Imagine life here 400 years ago. I bet they didn't have lights like this. Yo, that sound effect. I was thinking someone's here. I was like, what the hell, am I tripping or something? Yeah, there are not many tourists here, except for me and like 10 Asian guys. It's one group of 10 Asian guys. It's basically only local people here. What is that? I see some rave. Bro, Arabian horse characteristics. It's like in a game. No, it should be like speed, stamina, health. Not this. Look, free water. Yeah, they do everything to attract tourists here. And you can sit. Yo, this is like a full game. Okay. Supplies. 对，只有第一个能看到。First.
波一样，通关了。这是控制方向的，对，有点卡。出去了。
Yeah, I thought it's something quick, but there is a guy who's literally sitting there for, I don't know, 15 minutes just playing this. It's kinda Red Dead Redemption from Saudi. Actually, yeah, there are no games from Saudi Arabia with, you know, when the plot in Saudi Arabia. You should make one. Another interesting thing, in the previous video I was talking to, off camera, I was talking to a local guy, and when I asked him where he's from, like the city, they don't say the city they were born in. He said, my family is from the city, and so they say the origins, like the whole history of their family. This is the answer on where are you from for them. Some places have this kind of roof to protect you from the sun. I don't know if it works, but it's better than nothing because sun here is crazy. I realized I just saw half of the place. I went there and there is, I think, as much as there is more here. So we're gonna find, I think there are more of like restaurant area or something. What I really like about this place, all of the restaurants are in the same style. So in some countries and cities they have it looks like a mess because every restaurant has their own colors, names, like signs, and it looks muddy. But here, look, it's all different places, but they all look the same. Restaurant, Dolce Gabbana. What? It was unexpected. Yo, what the hell? It's huge as hell, and it's empty. Staff members just watching reels. So this is the place where rich people eat. First impression, staff is super friendly. I think the food will be nice too. First time they give you complimentary stuff and they explain how do you eat it. Usually they just do and that's it, but now here I think it's a manager because he's the only one who wears suit. He gives me these types, a few types of bread and a few types of dips for bread. So we're gonna, oh, it's warm.
Here it is. It's coming with camel steel.
And I dip it here too?
Yeah, exactly. This one actually, it's a wheat with milk with camel steel. Please enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bro, it's not even my order, it's just a lot of complimentary stuff before my food. I dip it. Alright. Thank you. And I'm not sure, he said wheat. Interesting. He said wheat and I heard as wheat. I was like, what the hell? Wheat? Okay. Then they have so this stuff is sweet. This stuff is, yeah, it's sweet actually. It's basically like side to regular meal. This like a typical sauce, and this one I didn't understand. Let's try it again.
Yeah, point for you, sir.
Thank you. Oh my god. Wrong side. this stuff feels like something milky, and this is just oil. I like this one. It's a bit sweet and it's interesting. Always fascinated me. Sprite 03 of Sprite. Is it 03? I think it is 03. It's 250 milliliters, even less. But look, it was like this. How this cup was almost full from this many of Sprite. Is this a meat inside? Or you can get full after this free stuff already. And also they have stuff like this. It's kinda crunchy. Bro, they are embarrassing me. How? What? I don't get used to it. Give me the fucking burger or something. Which one? I know you have to go from, but there is the same. What the fuck? You have to go like from left to right, I think. I have no idea how it works. They told me some history about the dish. So this is from western part of Saudi Arabia. This is rice, chicken, and this is sauce for the rice, not for the chicken, for the rice. They eat it because this dish makes the stomach warm. So it's kind of, they warm themselves with this dish. So he said that you mix it with the rice, like this. Yo, the rice is so soft. It's melting in my mouth, literally. Let's try chicken. Yeah, it's soft too. It's very soft. I have no idea if it is the right fork. I'm not ready for this place. Interesting, because usually you have sauce for the meat and the side is just like a, but here is the opposite. You have sauce for the rice and you eat the meat with nothing. Notice. Winner Michelin 2026. So elite restaurant. And after paying 164 for my meal, they gave me wet towel. My friend from here, she told me that the tip culture here is no tips, so I didn't leave any tips. I don't know, maybe it's wrong, but she knows better. Honestly, I didn't expect this place to be this cool, and I think in a few years it will be full of tourists, so I'm glad I visited it now.
Choose your next video.